10, 29 to city scheduling. So we are giving an array costs. Let me make a drawing first. So about this costs array, so for the first index, that is the cost to city A. Yeah, for the first person. And the second index, so index 0, index 1 for this subarray. This 20 is for another person. Yeah, let me check. So yeah, there are 2n people. So this is the length of the cost is just 2n. So it means there are 2n people. So for each people, so the people can go to city A or can go to city B. But we need to decide. So for example, maybe this person needed to go to city A, so this 10 will be selected by city A, and maybe this 30 is also selected by city A, and what's left behind? So the 50 will be selected for city B, and 20 will be selected for city B. Yeah, but for the people go to city A, so there are n people go to city A, and there are also n people to go to people B, go to city B. They must be equal. Yeah. So we want to calculate the minimum value. Yeah. So normally, how can we solve it? Let me use another example. Maybe let me make it easier. So for example, in the subarray, that is 1 and 100, and we have another subarray that is 50 and 60. Yeah. Now we are going to decide what is the minimum value if we've decided to choose so to choose 2 people. So 1 people will go to city A, another people will go to city B, but we're gonna calculate the minimum. Maybe here this one is smaller. If we choose this one, so for the next array we have to choose 60 because another person have to go to city B. So the result would be 1 plus 60, it is 61. But exactly how can we calculate it? So this is the greedy idea. So for the first array, we're gonna check the difference. If the difference is bigger, so for example 1 and 100, the difference is bigger than 50 to 60 because 1 minus 100, it is minus 99. But 50 minus 60, it is minus 10. So we're gonna check the difference. So if the difference is bigger, but here is a minus value, we're gonna check if it is smaller, like, yeah. So if it is smaller, if the difference is smaller, what are we gonna do? We're gonna always choose the first person. Yeah, so here smaller, actually it is bigger because the negative 99 is also, yeah, the difference is 99, it seems. Yeah, but we're gonna sort it like this, according to the increasing order. If the value is smaller, so this means we're gonna always choose the first person go to the city A. And then we're gonna choose the second person to go to city B because the difference, this one is bigger, but this one is even smaller. Yeah, maybe we can use another example. Let me try to use another example. Yeah, we can also use another example. Maybe so for example, if we can use 100 and 1, another one is 60 and 50. Yeah, so there are 2 people. So those 2 people, 1 people must go to city A, another people must go to city B, and for this one the difference is 99, and here the difference is 10. So we're gonna sort it according to the increasing order. So this 10 will be sorted first. Yeah, so for this array, we're gonna decide to choose this guy to go to city A. This is 60, and then next people will go to city B. It is 1, so it is still the same. Yeah, so the idea is that we're gonna use the difference of the 2 values, the cost of 2 values, and we're gonna sort it in increasing order or decreasing order. Then we're gonna choose the minimum. So for example, we're gonna choose the minimum. We're gonna choose the first value, yeah, in the first part of the array, and the second value in the second half of the array. So the idea is that if the difference is bigger, we're gonna choose the smaller one. As you can see, the difference is bigger, we're gonna choose the smaller one first. If we choose the smaller one first, so what's left behind? We must choose the if we choose the smaller one first, it must be at the index 1. So for the next subarray, we have to choose index 0. Yeah, let me go to the code. Yeah, normally the greedy idea is really difficult to explain. Basically, it is like intuition or mathematics skills. If you can't think of how to do it, you have to use dynamic programming. So let's get started. So I'm gonna prepare a result array, and I'm gonna check the AB inside the costs. So the result should append a tuple with AB, and I'm gonna use the difference A minus B, and then I'm gonna sort the result array. So I'm gonna use a lambda function. So k should equal to a lambda, and here would be x to x2 according to the increasing order. So this means, so for example, this is 10 and 20, it is minus 10, this is 30, minus 200, it is minus 170. This one will be sorted first. So I'm gonna choose the first value for the first half of the array, and the second value in the second half of the array. So I'm gonna choose a variable n, it will be length of the costs, and m should be equal to n divided by 2. Now I'm gonna check the result. It will be some item in first value 0 for item in result first part, and plus the same item 1 for the second part for item in result, the second part. Now let me run it to check. There's something wrong. Let me check. Let me check the result array. Did I do something wrong about it? Yeah, so this is the result array. This is sorted first. Normally I'm gonna choose this is 30 and 10 in the first array, and in the second array I'm gonna choose 20 and 50. Yes, so my programming should be okay, but I don't know why. Yeah, because here I should use the first part of the array. It should be, well, what did I do? This is the first part of the array. So this is my result. The result array has been sorted. I don't know why I get a wrong answer. So this is 30 should plus this 10 should be 40, and this is 20 plus 50 should be 70, but I did something wrong. So this is item 0. It is not n because I need to use m. M is divided by n. It's not n. I need to use the variable m. That is why. Now let me just check it. Now as you can see, it works. So for this problem, normally if you can't think of a solution about the problem, basically you have to use some examples for the greedy problem. If you find some examples, you have to guess, or maybe I need to use the difference of each item, and then I'm gonna sort it and choose the first part as the first index, and the second part as the second index after sorting the array. So this means if the difference is bigger, if the difference is bigger, for example, the difference is like if inside a tuple there is 1 and 1000, and another tuple is just 100 and 100. What are we gonna do? So the greedy idea is we always choose the maximum difference first, and for the maximum difference we're gonna always choose the smaller number, because we want to calculate the minimum cost. So the idea is also straightforward. If we are going to buy a flight, we have to go to city A and go to city B, and how can we decide? We're gonna always decide the maximum difference, because for this one I use the greedy, I take a 1, and after that one, because they are nearly the same, I can choose either one, but I have to choose the second one. And the time complexity is n log n because we used just sorting. Thank you for watching, see you next time.